So the goal of this week is to talk about some of the quantum information technologies that are not quantum computing. So the rest of the course after this week is going to be kind of with an eye towards thinking about quantum computing. But I thought it would be really interesting to spend some time talking about sensing and communication, because in many ways, those are technologies that are already here. And maybe in some cases have been here for decades. So it's a nice place to start. All right. So the three main quantum technologies that kind of form the foundation of this field of quantum information science and engineering are quantum computing, and that's the subject of most of the class. And if we had to define quantum computing, we would say it was applying quantum mechanics to perform computations. There's kind of a subgenre of quantum computing called quantum simulation, and that's using quantum principles to improve modeling and simulations. A lot of times, we need a way to simulate quantum computing before quantum computing really exists, and that's kind of in that subgenre. So there's quantum computing and there's quantum simulation. And then there's quantum sensing, which, as I mentioned, is a technology which we're going to talk a lot about today that's already sort of here. And this is using quantum systems for high precision measurements. And then finally, we have quantum communication. And this is transporting or exchanging quantum encoded information. All right. So if you look at this graphic from NIST, they kind of show a roadmap of the difficulty of a quantum problem and the sort of time horizon to its realization. And they categorize things like quantum measurement, quantum sensing, and quantum key distribution, which we'll all talk about today, as the known. We already sort of know how to do this. And practical commercial applications of this are sort of in the now to a few years out time horizon. There's also, if you go up in complexity, there's sort of things that maybe unlikely or impossible, and they put quantum computation there, which I think is kind of interesting. But that's still it's expected, but it's very hard. There's also things that are sort of in the middle ground, quantum widgets. We'll talk about things like quantum repeaters today. That's in that category, I would say. And then things we really haven't even thought about, like maybe quantum engineered photovoltaics or something like that.